Hello, Precalculus. After yesterday's smashing success, I know you guys have just been sitting by the iPad waiting for this next video to drop. So here it is, Lesson 3.3, Properties of Logarithms. Good news, this is all Algebra 2, but there's lots of different things that we're going to ask you to do. Hopefully, if I see you again this school year, hopefully if we have a quiz or a test or a final, then we'll ask you to do lots of different things with this. So there are different ways that we can rewrite a logarithm, and the first one, you're not going to use it, but it's true, and it leads us to the next two, is you could pick your favorite number, any base that you want to, and we can rewrite a log using the log base b of the x first divided by the log base b of the a. But that's not very useful because our calculator does not have a button for that, but our calculator does have a base 10 button, and that's just the log. So we can do the log of x divided by the log of a. And we also have a base e button, which is your natural log button. And so we can type in the natural log of x divided by the natural log of a. Now, this is going to be useful for some of you, and for some of you, you have a special secret called the log base command. But even if you do have log base, there are some questions that we can ask you that will require you to still understand these formulas. I promise I have a great collection of multiple choice questions where if you don't know the formula, then you don't get it right. So I want you to know those formulas, please. So one option is some of you guys were stressed out on 3-2 day 2 because you wanted to use the calculator to graph it. And so now, obviously if you have log base lives under your math command, and then it's pretty easy to type in. But my calculators are so old, I don't have that command, and so I have to use the above formulas. So one thing that I could do on this problem right here, that's supposed to be a star, pen is still not showing up, forget it. So I could do y1 equals, I can take log of the inside of x plus 3 and divide that by the log of that base of 2. Parentheses do become important on these problems. And so if I was trying to do the below problem, then I would go, I'm going to make this y2 just for fun. And just to be really crazy, there is the parentheses there. So that's a vertical shift, not a horizontal shift. So I could go natural log of x divided by the natural log of 2, and then tack on that vertical shift up 3. Awesome.